Hello dear students, today I am going to continue the exercise 5 of advanced mathematics. So today we will discuss question number 15, solve with the help of logarithm. So 1 number question is given, 10 to the power x is equal to 893. So in this sum we have to find the value of x with the help of logarithm. So we will start. Use logarithm, take both sides log. So log of 10 to the power x is equal to log of 893. So here log of 10 to the power x means x log of 10, and here log of this 893. We have to find the value from logarithmic table. We have to see column number 89 and row number 3. And since there are 3 digits, so characteristics will be 2. So I am writing directly characteristic is 2 plus, and the Mantissa part we have to see row number 89 and column number 3. So let's find the value from logarithmic table. You will use the logarithmic table when you will watch the video and solve the questions. So I am directly writing the value by finding from the logarithmic table. So you will find it yourself. So since total number of digit is 3, so Mantissa will be 2. 3 minus 1, 2. Characteristic will be 2, and value from logarithmic table is 0.95085. So in some logarithmic table the value may be quite different, maybe in 4 digit it is given. So now see here x log 10 means 1, so x will be 2.95085. It was very easy sum. So we'll see the next number. Next number is given. Next we'll see 3 number. 3 number is 7 to the power 3x plus 2 plus 4 to the power x plus 2 equal to 7 to the power 3x plus 1 plus 2 to the power 2x plus 6. So first of all we have to simplify it. So how will we simplify? 7 to the power 3x plus 2 can be written as 7 to the power 3x into 7 square plus 4 to the power x into 4 square. Here 7 to the power 3x into 7, and it can be written as 2 to the power 2x into 2 to the power 3x. Here we will get 4 to the power x means what? 4 to the power x means 2 to the power 2x. So we can write 2 to the power 2x into 16. Here 7 into 7 to the power 3x plus here 2 to the power 6 means 64 into 2 to the power 2x. So we'll take the similar term, we'll write the similar term together. So 49 into 7 to the power 3x, and here 7 into 7 to the power 3x. If we take this term left side, so it will be 7 to the power 3x is common, and 49 minus 7, and 7 to the power 3x is common. And here if we take this term right side, here 2 to the power x is common, so 64 minus 16 into 2 to the power 2x. So here 42 into 7 to the power 3x, and here 64 minus 16 means 48 into 2 to the power 2x. Again see 42 can also be divided by 6, 48 can also be divided by 6. So if we divide both sides by 6, then we will get 7 into 7 6 are 42. So 7 into 7 to the power 3x equal to 6 8 are 8 into 2 to the power 2x. Now say 7 into 7 to the power 3x can be written as 7 to the power 3x plus 1. When bases are same, then the exponents are added. So here 8 means 2 cube and 2 to the power 2x. That means we can write 2 to the power 2x plus 3. 8 means 2 to the power 3, 2 cube. So now we have to take log both sides. So taking log 7 to the power 3x plus 1, and here also log of 2 to the power 2x plus 3. So we will get 3x plus 1 into log of 7, here 2x plus 3 into log of 2. So now we have to put the values. So if we break the bracket, we will get 3x into log 7, 3x into log 7 plus 1 into log 7, that means log of 7. Here 2x into log 2, 2x into log 2 plus 3 into log 2. Now see x term, in which two term x is common, here and here. So if we take this term right side, we can write x is common. We can write 3 log of 7 minus 2 log of 2 into x, and here x is common here, and here 3 log 2. If we take log 7 this side, 3 log 2 minus log 7. So we need to find the value of x. So x, keep the x this side, x will be 3 log 2 minus log of 7 by 3 log 7 minus 2 log 2. So we have to put the values of 3 log 2, log 7, log 2. So x will remain same. Here see 3 into log 2. 3 into log 2 value we know 0.30103 minus log of 7. Log of 7 means 0.8451. Again 3 log 7. Log 7 means 8451.8451. So 0.8451 minus 2 log 2. 2 into log 2 means 0.30103. So this is, now it is just simply simplify and get the answer. So after multiplying this value 3 into this 0.30103 we will get. So after multiplication we get this value. So now we have to subtract. After subtracting, you will subtract yourself. I am writing the answer. But so difference of these two number is 0.05799. Difference of these two number is 1.93301. So since numerator is less than 1 and denominator is greater than 1, approximately it is 2. So if you divide the number by 2, then we will get the approximate value. Since 1.9 is nothing but very closer to 2, so we can divide the numerator by 2 also. Then you will get, we will not get the exact value, but it will be the approximate value. So if otherwise you can divide it directly yourself, you will divide it yourself. So I have solved it, so I am writing the answer here. After dividing we get the number 0.0299 and 0.0299. here since third digit is 9, so we can write, we have to add 1 to the second digit, so we can write 0.03. it is approximate value, approximation. This is the solution. So in this way we can solve this type of problems. Next we will see question number 5. 5 number is 6 to the power 3 minus 4x into 4 to the power x plus 5 equal to 8. So here we have to use logarithm to find the value. So if we use logarithm both sides, since it is multiplication here, it will convert into addition. So log of 6 to the power 3 minus 4x into 4 to the power x plus 5 is equal to log of 8 means 2 cube we can write. So here we can write log of, since it is m into n type, that means their numbers are in multiplication product, so we can write 6 to the power 3 minus 4x plus log of 4 to the power x plus 5. Here log of 3 log 2, we can write 3 log 2 here. Here we can write 3 minus 4x into log of 6 plus, here say we can write 2 to the power, since 4 means 2 square, so 2 into x plus 5, that means 2x plus 10, and 3 into log of 2 means 0.30103. 0.30103. Now see this value, so we'll directly put the value of log of 4, it will be easy. So here 3 minus 4x log of 6 means 0.77815. 77815. Here x plus 5 into log 4. Log of 4 means we can write 0.60206. 0.60206, and if we multiply this number we will get 0. After multiplying by 3 we will get 0.90309. 90309. So now see, after multiplying with 3, so if we multiply 3 with this we will get the value 2.3345. 2.3345 minus 4x into this, that means 4 into this value into x. 4 into this value means 3.126. 3.1126 into x. So here if we multiply x into this, that means 0.60206x. After multiplying by 5 we will get 3.0103, and here this value will remain same, 0.90309. Now see, x containing term we will write together, and without x containing term we will write together. So if you write x containing terms are there, minus 3.1126 and here plus 0.60206 into x, and if we take these terms this side at 0.90309, this value will go this side, subtract 2.3345, and it will also be subtracted 3.0103. So now see, after subtracting this value we get minus 2.51051054 x equal, after solving this 3 value, we get the value minus 4.44166. So we need to find the value of x. Minus sign is cancelled from both sides. X is equal to 4.44166. 166 and 2.51054. So after dividing, since in after decimal part this is very closer, 0.4 and 0.5, they are very close, we can assume that equal. So if we divide it by 2, divide it 2 times, and decimal point, since decimal point is there and it is quite larger, so the value will be very closer to 2. That means you will divide it yourself, 1.769. so we can write 1.776, third digit is greater than 5, approximate value. Next we will see question number 16. Question number 16 is that show that 21 by 10 to the power 100 is greater than 100. So we have to use logarithm. We will take the number first of all left hand side, 21 by 10 as x. Let x is equal to 21 by 10 to the power 100. So use logarithm, log of x is equal to 21 by 10, log of 21 by 10 to the power 100. So here log of x will remain same. Here we can write log 100 log of 21 by 10. So if we put the value 100 here, log of 21 minus log of 10. So log of 10 we know 1 and 100 log of 21, value of log of 21 will be 1.3222 minus log of, it is not 10, it is 20. It one is 20. So log of 20 means 1.30103. So 100 into, after subtracting this value we get 0.02119. So if we multiply by 100, the decimal point will be shifted towards right up to 2 digits, so 02, that means 2.119. now see, this value is already greater than 2. Here you can write 2.119 is already greater than 2. Now see, 2.119 means what? Log of x, and this can be written as 2 means log of 10 square, that means 100. So log of x means what? Log of x, log cancel, x is greater than 100. 100, log cancel, 10 square means 100. So x means what? X we have 21 by 20 to the power 100. So x means 21 by 20 to the power 100 is greater than 100. So this one we have to prove. Thank you.